Welcome back to Integrated Electronics. Today we will take a look at Samtec Micro Rugged Tiger Eye Interconnect solutions. First, we have a sample from the SEARAY High-Speed System line. This cable assembly utilizes single-ended 50-ohm and differential 100-ohm signal paths, available with micro-coax or twin-ax cables, and features an optional latch for secure connections. Moving on to the primary showcase, here is the 2.00mm Tiger Eye system. This multi-row interconnect features highly reliable multi-finger beryllium copper contacts designed for severe environments. The Tiger Eye system supports both discrete wire and IDC cable assemblies, offering vast flexibility for complex wire-to-board routing setups. Here we can see the differences between different housing types, including standard black insulation and specialized white high-temperature shrouds. Next is a specialized variant of the 1.27mm Tiger Eye system, highlighting the SFM and TFM series connectors in a right-angle configuration. This assembly shows the system's ultra-fine pitch design, incorporating rugged shrouded walls, precise keying, and polarizing features to prevent mismating. Here we have another compact stack-up sample of the 1.27mm Tiger Eye series, combining high pin counts with low-profile vertical, perpendicular, or coplanar board mating styles. Looking closely at the 2.00mm board header component again, notice the robust terminal design available in surface mount and through-hole configurations. All these Tiger Eye variations provide robust locking and screw-down features to guarantee stability under high shock and vibration. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.